wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again! We have another story to tell. This is a little bit more educational, but it's going to be fun, right? It is about shapes. We're going to learn about shapes. Do you know what shapes are? No? Well, it's good that you're tuning in, because today we are going to find out about the different kinds of shapes. Yep, it's going to be exciting. And let's see what we'll learn. So, our first shape is a circle. Do you know that a circle is round? Yep, a circle is round, like a clock. A clock can be round. Or what else is round? What about a balloon? Is a balloon round? A ball is round, right? How many other round objects can you think of? Do you see any here? I see! Do you see what I'm seeing? Let's look around. I think Elmo's eyeballs are round. Right? Yeah. I'm sure you would tickle about that one. Yep. Right, Elmo? You find that funny? No? Okay. What else is round? Do we have anything else here in our room that's round? No, I don't see anything. So, is a plate round that you eat from? Yeah, it is, isn't it? What else? Can you think of anything else? Oh, I know. My eyes are round too, aren't they? Yeah, just like Elmo. So, what other shapes are there? Can you think of any else? I know. A square. A square has 4 equal sides. Is that picture there a square? It has 4 sides, right? On the top, 1 on the bottom, 2, and 3 and 4 on each of the side. But they're not all equal, are they now? No. This book, if I close it, would have 4 sides too, but it's not equal either. Those windows, no. Those windows are not a square either. We don't have anything here that's a square. But maybe your windows at home are a square, right? Or maybe you have a book that has all equal sides that are a square, right? Yep, that could be true. Oh, I see, right there. Do you see on top of the screen? Now that's a square. Yep. Do you see? 4 sides that are all the same size. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? Did you know that? Now you do. So, on to the next shape. A triangle. Triangle. And a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. You see? You know why a triangle is called a triangle? Well, T-R-I means 3. And it has 3 sides. Pretty cool, huh? And then it also has 3 corners. Yeah, you see? Do you know that lots of things have triangle shapes? When you go outside the next time, Or even just look inside of your own room. See what objects have 3 sides and 3 corners. Is a kite a triangle? No. But maybe it has parts of it that is a triangle, right? Go, look. Do you have a kite at home? Go look at it and find it. So, 3 shapes. A circle, a triangle, and a square. We only found a circle in our room, didn't we? We didn't find a square. No. We didn't find a triangle. No. But Elmo has circles. Elmo's eyes are circle. My eyes are circles. And then, you know what the shape is right next to me? That's a rectangle. It has 4 sides, but only 2 sides are equal. The top one with the bottom one, and the 2 sides. That's why it's not a square. No, it's a rectangle. That's another shape. Pretty cool, huh? Did you know that? So, a rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. And it's longer than a square. That's the difference. What else is a rectangle? Oh, our book here, right? Our book is a rectangle. Yeah. So, what other shapes are there? Have you ever heard of the shape of an oval? An oval is longer and flatter than a circle. We can find an oval shape in our kitchen now, can we? An avocado. I love avocados. But what would an orange be? An orange is a circle, correct? You got it. That was correct. So, what other shapes are there? Can you think of anything else? A star. A star can have 5 or 6 points. Have you seen a star up in the sky? You can also draw a star. Right? Yeah, I know, Olivia, you like drawing a star.
I love stars. They're so much fun.
So, if we look outside, we see different shapes everywhere. I wonder which one you will see the next time you'll be outside. You should pay attention to them, right? So kids, now that we learned about all these different shapes, what can we do with them? Why don't we draw a face with shapes? See, look right over there. A circle makes the face round, just like all of ours. And then we use small circles for the eyes and a triangle for the nose. But wait, how are we going to make our mouth? What if we use a half circle? So we cut the circle in half. And there is our face. Pretty cool, huh? But did you know that there are also faces that are not round? There are some that have rectangular faces. Funny, huh? And then it would look different. It would be a rectangular shaped face with 2 small circles in the middle, a triangle as the nose again, you see? And then again, a half circle. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? But what else can we make with circles and squares and triangles? Oh, I know. A train. A train is a rectangular shaped body. And on top of it Where the train conductor drives, we put on a square, just like that. And so we can drive and drive and drive. We put on 4 circles on the bottom. And there it goes. Bye, Thomas the Train. Pretty cool, huh? So that's where we see the different shapes in our lives. Well, kids, I hope you learned something new about our shapes and you see those shapes too in anything that is around you. Let us know if you enjoyed that and let us know what shapes you like best. We will see you next time on Dream Again, and thanks for being here. Good night. Bye-bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!